Okay, beautiful Pisces. This is your 7 day Osho Tarot guidance, and starting from today, this is the guidance for your week. We have totality, participation, possibilities, we have experience, adventure, intensity, and sharing. Okay, starting from today, Pisces, we have totality. That means that you need to learn to trust the moment, okay? Do not hold yourself back. And right now, you are juggling a lot between, say, you are juggling between love, you are juggling between career and emotions, and you are feeling a little bit lost right now because of this, all this juggling. You're confused. uh, okay, so the card says that you need to trust the moment and let yourself loose, let yourself free, and you will flow like water. Pisces, that's your sign. Okay, so this shows that you need to learn to take the leap of faith, and half efforts will bring half results. So whatever you are indulging it, just try to give in your 100% in that. Now, moving ahead in the week, we have participation. So, again, this says that you need to learn to participate, and be it love, be it career, you are not able to concentrate on things fully. Or maybe you are inclining towards too much towards career, and that is why you're not able to give love the time that it requires. Or maybe you are inclining a lot towards love, and that is why you are jeopardizing your career. So this is what is happening right now. So the energy says that you need to give yourself, participate in the activities in totality, so that you can enjoy the possibilities that are coming your way. There are a lot of possibilities, Pisces, but because you are not putting in 100% effort in anything right now, you are missing them. So the energies for this week are about participation and possibilities, and opening up, and then you are gaining experience. A lot of you might be traveling this week, going on an adventure trip, and just in case if you go, you mind that you need to open up about the things that are coming on your way, be it some career opportunity or love opportunity. Be open about it. Okay, there is a lot of possibility that you might end up having a beautiful adventure for your life, and this adventure is going to be very intense. There is a lot of sharing on the card. So this week is all about participating in group activities, sharing about things, your experiences, your dreams, and understanding the possibilities which are there, whether in a career or in relationship. And this week is going to give you a lot of experience. The experience will be full of adventure and very intense. You are going to love it. You are going to have the moment of your life. The week is looking beautiful, Pisces. You just have to take that leap of faith and just jump in. If somebody is asking you to go out on a trip, just say yes to them. Okay, this is going to give you a lot of experience. I'm seeing more of a energy where you are, learning through experiences, feeling and sensing and receiving. A lot of adventure is there, a lot of nature is there. So if there is an adventure trip, uh, then don't say no to that. Okay, take the first step, just jump in and take that trip, and start enjoying, start enjoying the experiences, start expanding yourself. This is what the week is all about, and the energy for the week is opening up, and having experiences that you haven't for like a lifetime. You were waiting that, okay, this, if I'll do this, then I will go for this thing or do this thing. Don't do it. This is a season of adventure and win and prosperity. Enjoy the season. October is all about winning. Okay, it's about winning of the bad over the evil, or keeping your fears aside and moving forward. This is the month of October. Your energies are telling you to do that only. So just try to find a way. If you haven't planned it, plan a trip this October, and this is going to bring adventure. This is not just a weekly energy, it's an overall energy as well, because we talk about experiences, we talk about adventure, and that can't be limited to a week only. So take this energy and go for that beautiful trip and take that leap. Go enjoy that adventure. This is what the cards are telling you, Pisces. Okay.